Hey y'all, so I just wanted to do a quick review on this bouncer. I do like it. It's not like, extravagant or anything, but it is definitely, simple, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. And it seems to be just enough to keep my baby entertained. My only concern is that he is 5 months old and 20 pounds, and the weight capacity is 25 pounds. So, where his height hasn't really been catching up as fast as his weight, he's only really been able to use this bouncer I just started using it maybe a week ago, and he does seem to like it because of all the little lights and stuff on it, and the fun little sounds and the little spinny thing. He loves these up here, and he does like that it bounces, but for the most part he just really enjoys the little gadgets on it. So if you are looking for like a smaller bouncer at like a pretty fair price, that's still entertaining, I would highly recommend this one. Just be aware of the weight capacity if you have a larger baby like I do. So
you own the Fisher Price. As you can see, it's got food all over it. So as my toddler has grown, now I'm able to put her in this and she can eat snacks. The toys are amazing, the lights and all of that. She loves to play with this. Everything was super easy to assemble. We did this in a matter of just a few minutes, and it has been a great asset to have. And as far as I'm concerned, it was very affordable for my budget as a parent. I will say, like, there's no issues at all. I cannot show you the volume or anything like that, play music. I actually have sensory issues as well as other children of mine. So I prefer not to have have all of the sounds. But as far as the rest goes, I mean, it's a wonderful product, and I will probably continue to keep buying more, as I've been very satisfied, and it's been an amazing item to have for my family.
Mire, yo estaba pensando decirle que se